Customers are really important to any business. After all, if you don't have customers who are buying from you, then there's no income coming into the business and you don't have a business. The way to get customers is through marketing. Marketing gives you a powerful set of tools, and if you put the right mix together in a coordinated and consistent way, then you can create an ongoing flow of paying customers straight to your doorstep. And it doesn't have to cost a lot. It's more about using your knowledge rather than your bank account. Remember the 4 Ps: product, price, promotion, and place? This useful model gives you a quick way to define your marketing. The answers to a series of questions can help you figure out what you say to customers and how and where to say it. Putting the customer at the center of your business means giving them what they want. How does your customer benefit from your product or service? And uncovering your USP or unique selling proposition helps you to make sure that your business stands out from the crowd. It's no good trying to sell to everyone either. Your route to success is focusing on people who have already shown an interest in the sort of products or services you offer and who have the money to buy. It's a good idea to create a picture of your ideal customer. This is the person most likely to buy. Once you know exactly who your customers are and have clearly defined what you are selling them, the rest starts to fall into place. Pricing, for example. It isn't just about the numbers. There are lots of other factors, both within the business and outside, that have an influence. What value are you giving your customers? What image do you want to project? What are your competitors charging? And what about place? Once you focus on your customer, it's much easier to decide where you are going to sell your product or service and what distribution channels to use. And finally, promotion. Often, this is all people think about when talking about marketing. There are dozens of promotional tools and activities that you can use. But remember, when you select the technique you want to use, always aim for the largest potential audience with the least cost, and make sure you are going to reach your target audience. A mix of internet-based activity with the more traditional promotional techniques works for most businesses, and don't rely on just sending one email or producing one advert. Put a marketing action plan in place too. It pulls everything together and helps you plan, control, and keep track of what you're doing. It also means you can see your marketing at a glance, which is really useful. So, marketing is all about helping you to win and keep customers. And that's one of the key areas you need to focus on to achieve success in your business. Happy marketing.